Hey, this is our project for the social risk signal board. The core problem this project solves is the social determinants of health, like lack of housing and food insecurity. They're often hidden in EHR systems, right? So this dashboard, the repository we have created, it pulls data from fire it pulls fire data and mathematically scores them alongside social risks to instantly like flag people who would be more vulnerable, to allow case managers to prioritize them better. um, Let me go on the dashboard here. So the dashboard has a lot of different things. It is connected to a fire server. um, when we want to generate synthetic data, we generate it through Cynthia, which is here, and then we have like a local test mode. If nothing works, this will work. This is our main operating mode, the file server one. And Cynthia is only used when we want to really test out other things. But there we go. We pulled some data from the file server and we got these things right. And we got people who have about their housing, their food, their transport, and XYZ. Basically, what this does is it has a scoring pipeline. Let me show you the scoring pipeline. Oh, not this one. Not this one. Oh, where did it go? Oh, my bad. Yeah, here's the one. And we have different ways of scoring the patient, and we score them right here. Uh, Not finalized yet, but there's a lot of different ways we score people. For example, when you come here, you will see Daniel O'Reilly. They're getting these points because of the following situations. They have a grade aged more than 75, high stress, unemployed, transportation, food, and housing. These are all things we consider, right? Um, Another thing we do is like, for example, if I just want to see if people with like housing instability or just who are unemployed, then it allows me to do that. It allows me to see the score of everyone to focus on different things. Um, it automatically like we can like see different conditions and stuff like that. No one has diabetes, for example. The other thing we did here was this is a clinical editor. So as a case manager, if I think, okay, for example, this person is is no longer unemployed, I can remove this and then I can commit my changes to the file server, and it's going to sync that. Um, is going to reload the patient registry. This takes a long time because we are using a public file server. So it takes a really long time. If you'll also see here, we are reloading everything because that's how file works, and the server we are using is just really slow. Anyways, but let me in the meantime show you the show you what we are up to. So this is the file server we are pulling from. I can go here and show you the thing. This is basically just a Swagger UI, and we can pull different things from here. Uh, Only doing 30 patients at a time. This was one of our biggest challenges because we have to basically make an N+1 request. We can't just make a lot of requests. So basically, request takes like 1.5 seconds every time. So takes to a long delay. I mean, it's still loading. So that's the biggest problem we had this sprint. And then in terms of fetching stuff from um, we have this fire client where basically it's just a Python thing that we use, and we just pull things from the fire API. Is how we do it. Is the main thing, the fire client thing. And yeah, that's basically it. And then we have a patient repository where we like store different things about patients and stuff like that. When we want to generate things in Cynthia, we do that using this Java file, which has a completely different way of generating stuff because this is a Java file. We are operating using Python. But yeah, so this is basically our project. And yeah, hope you like it. Thank you.